we're checking off another 2025 wish list item off the checklist. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Celesta. We talk about all things luxury shopping and handbags. If you love those things, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification to post videos every week. So if you saw my 2025 wish list, you know there's a certain bag from Demellier that has been on this wish list for quite some time. And I went back and forth on which size I wanted, which color I wanted, and it was hard because I feel like I really didn't get a chance to figure out which one I really liked until I saw it in stores, and they did have it in stores at Selfridges when I was in London for Christmas. So finally pulled the trigger and here she is. This is a real unboxing. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes when I'm doing unboxings for you guys, especially on YouTube, I've already opened it. So we're doing a real, oh, maybe the other way. Hopefully I don't break a nail while doing this live unboxing. Hello. Woo! It says, a bag, a life. For every item you purchase, we fund life-saving vaccines and medical treatments aimed to save the lives of children in need. I love that. And we've been seeing that with Demellier for quite some time, and we love to see it. Also comes with a little bag. Ooh. So I did actually ask you guys on my Instagram story which color I should get, and I pretty much picked the color that you guys voted for. I think it was like 60 or 70% voted for this color. And this is actually the original color that was on my wish list, and I'm excited for this because I feel like I do have a tote like this, but I don't have one kind of this color that's a little bit more neutral that I can use for like pretty much any and every outfit. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. I feel like because I've been waiting for this for so long that like it just is so much more exciting. Here she is. This is the Demellier Midi New York in the tan with ecru stitching. So I think this is one of the few styles that actually have contrast stitching, and that's pretty much what sold me on the bag. I wanted a bag that had contrast stitching. This is in a grained calfskin as well with gold detailing. I don't think Demellier does too many like silver hardware pieces, but you never know. But you guys know me, you know I'm a gold girly, so this is just like so perfect. I'm obsessed with this. I wanted to just give you guys a little rundown between the midi size and the large size because I do know that they have two, and I was able to try on both, and kind of why I decided on this size, and then get into like first impressions. Obviously I just opened it, so I'm like taking a minute to absorb. So the Demellier New York comes in two sizes. There's this midi size, and then there's one size up, which is the original or the large. They used to have a mini size, and it was the cute little tote bag, and you wear it crossbody, and I think they discontinued that. This retails for $595, and then the large retails for $670. It does say on the website, when I was looking up the dimensions, it says it doesn't fit a 13-inch laptop, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little optimistic. I'm gonna try to shove one in here anyways. I don't like to be told no. For the one size larger, it does say it will fit a laptop. And then I did try on both in stores. So for reference, I am 4'11". This is kind of what it looks like on me, but for both sizes. It is a little bit harder to see because of the color, and like I'm wearing a black coat and everything. But yeah, hopefully that helps answers a little bit of your questions. And then both sizes come in the same colors and materials. They do come in different seasonal colors as well, and different materials. I see a lot of grain calfskin, and it comes in different colors like tan, like kind of a Bordeaux color. They also have mock croc. They have a bunch of different materials and things like that that you can kind of pick and choose from. I will say, after trying on both sizes, I thought the midi size was kind of better on me. The large was very big, and I don't know that I have a need for such a big bag because I don't necessarily want a work bag. I want like a mini tote like this that I can put like my water in here, an extra sweater, maybe an iPad, hopefully, fingers crossed, a laptop, but I don't really need to bring a laptop day to day, you know, especially if I'm out traveling. I think this was kind of my intention with this bag. My camera, my mic, you know, all extra battery packs, like these kind of things where you want to bring them just in case if you're going to be out all day, but they don't necessarily fit in a really tiny bag. So that was kind of the intention of getting this bag, and I'm hoping to bring this with me on my Europe trip. And I just felt like the large, it would have been a really good work bag. I just don't necessarily need a work bag right now. I will say off the bat, this bag does have pretty good security for a tote bag, and I'm kind of impressed. They have these 2 button closures right here, which you just pop open, and then there is a magnetic one in the middle. It does come with a crossbody strap, which, to be completely honest with you, I don't know that I'm going to use too much. And then inside is a black cotton lining. I will say I do really like how big you can open up the bag. Personal preference, I don't know that I would want a black interior lined bag. I think it's great if you want to avoid stains and, you know, seeing dirt and whatever, in case things spill, stuff like that. But me personally, I feel like it is a little bit dark and like it's harder to find your things. So I'll probably see if they have like an organizer on the market. And I think a little bit extra organization couldn't hurt either. This does have 2 pockets. It does have one pocket on the side and then one with a zipper, which we love. And so I think with the zipper pocket, you can always put like your card holder or your phone or something that's kind of like easier access. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys really quickly what fits in the bag. Not necessarily like the maximum capacity, but how I envision myself using this bag. And then I also wanna share with you guys how it fits on me, because I pretty much got this for my Europe summer travels. Here's everything I'm trying to fit inside the Midi New York from Demellier. As you can see, it does come with a crossbody strap, and online it says it doesn't fit a 13-inch laptop. I'd like to respectfully disagree. I think it fits and it feels relatively secure, but for the sake of this video, let's say it doesn't fit. So we're just gonna put an iPad in here along with my portable keyboard, and then also have a little cosmetic pouch with like sunscreen, hand cream, lotion, you know, all the random like little things, and they're not floating around. So we're just gonna shove that in here, and then I am able to fit water, umbrella. Here's my sunglasses and my cute little new Miffy case. Isn't that so cute? I'm obsessed. And then in the little zipper pocket, I'm going to put my card holder in there just so it's a little bit extra secure. My camera's floating on top and a light and my phone. Not the most secure for these things, but to know it does fit, and I wouldn't normally pack it like this. This is how she looks on the crook of my arm. I am honestly obsessed. I think this is the perfect size for like going out. I will say though, as a crossbody, as someone who's 4'11", not so cute. This is also on the shortest strap drop, and just, it's not working out for me. You also can't really wear it on the crook of your arm, maybe if you have like super skinny arms, but this is just not very comfortable. And then wanted to show like comparing with the Polene Mini, this is what they look like. So that sums it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this was helpful for you. I'm so excited to add this to my collection. I will say I have noticed with Demellier, they don't necessarily run too many promos on their direct website. Pretty much all I've seen is like for Black Friday and whatnot. But if you are looking to purchase, I would recommend looking on department store websites, so like Saks, Bloomingdale's, Neiman Marcus, like those websites, because more often than not, they do a lot of promotions that's like, spend $300, get $20 off, spend $500, get $50 off, or like whatever it is. And either that or like store credit gift cards, you get that back. So I would check those department store websites to see if you can snag a discount on this style. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in seeing this bag compared to the Polene, because I do have the Polene cyme Mini as well, which is kind of like mini tote bags compared. Let me know if that interests you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave another video for you guys here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!